Hi, this is Jane. Welcome to my kitchen. You know what time it is. It's holiday time. And what do we do during the holidays? We entertain. Let's face it, we just love to wow our guests. But sometimes we just don't have time to do that, but yet we want to make it gourmet looking and fancy looking. Well, I've got some hors d'oeuvres that I want to share with you today that are going to wow your guests. And what we're going to start off with is an antipasta kebab that we're going to put together. What I did is I took tortellini stuffed with cheese, boiled it until it was al dente, and I added some balsamic vinegar to it so it gives it that kind of sharp taste. So I let this sit for a while just so that the juices can soak into the pasta. Then what I did is I took Belgioso has got fresh mozzarella, and they actually have it in, they call it pearls. And what I did there is I added some olive oil to it. I added some red pepper flakes, and I added some Italian seasoning. And what I did is marinated that for about half hour, 45 minutes. So now I'm ready to go, and this is how easy it is. All you have to do is take one of these fancy little, I call them skewers. They look like toothpicks, and you can get these at any one of our stores. And I'm just going to add the pearl on here. Then I'm going to add a slice of hard salami. I'm going to add some roasted red pepper. I love the flavor of that. Then I'm going to add my pasta to it. We're going to add some fresh basil. Then I'm going to add a little artichoke heart. And then I'm going to top it off with a green olive. And that's how easy it is to make a skewer. Okay, now the next appetizer that I want to show you, again, is so easy to make. All you do is take a crostini, and I'll tell you what, if you go to any one of our bakeries, you can stop in there and they sell these crostinis already made. They're delicious, and they're made from artisan breads. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a slice of fresh mozzarella, and this is where, again, Belgioso, actually you can buy the cheese in a log already sliced up, so it's extremely easy for you. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some prosciutto to the top, and it gives it a nice little salty flavor. And then I'm going to add some black olives to it. And I love black olives. So we'll top that off with that. So now I have some already made up, and I just want to show you some of the things that I did different with it, just to give it a really cool flair to it. Again, I put the mozzarella cheese on top, but this time I added fresh fruit. I've got the prosciutto, and then what I added was the green olive bruschetta. Okay, then another idea, I put some hard salami on there, and then pickled asparagus on the top of it. So that gives it a different flavor. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I mean, your guests are gonna be wowed. They're gonna think that you worked hours on this project, and look at how easy it was. Okay, now I wanna introduce you to a brand new cheese that we are gonna have in our stores this year, and you can get it out of our deli. I'm really excited about this because it is going to taste so good with refreshments. The name of it is actually called Artigiano. It is a cheese that has been produced by Belgioso, and I just have got to show you some of the flavors because they are exciting. The first one that I have is Vino Rosso, and I'm not Italian, so I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but it is a sweet cheese. In fact, what I want to do is I kind of want to show this to you. It has, the rind is actually kind of a purplish look to it with, it looks like it's got white spots on it. Actually, the rind was soaked in red wine, and those spots are crystals. And when you see crystals like that on the cheese, that's perfectly aged cheese. That's a sign of it. And what it is the cheese actually has crystals in it. And I'm telling you what, it is phenomenal. I have had this cheese. I can't stop eating it. That's the problem. The next one I have is, it's a balsamic flavor. And this one is it's a sweet but savory flavor. It's got a little hint of onion in it. And then the other one is a classical, and that's a very sweet and nutty flavor, very creamy, mild flavor. And again, all you have to do, put it on a cutting board. cut up a little pieces of cheese. People can help themselves. Add a little almonds to it. You can put regular almonds on there, smoked almonds. Doesn't make any difference, but again, it looks very, very elegant and so easy to serve. Okay, now, last but not least, we have to talk about a beverage when we're entertaining. Christian Regal has sparkling juice that is phenomenal. It has got a bold flavor to it. There's very little calories in it. It's a low-calorie thing, which is awesome. And it has no preservatives, no artificial flavoring in it. And actually, it has two new flavors that I want to introduce you to. One is the strawberry apple lemon. The other one is an apple mango passion fruit. I mean, doesn't that just sound delicious? It's great for holidays. It's great for anniversaries. And you know what? What's today again? It's Thursday. It's great for Thursdays too. Let's try some. I want each and every one of you to have a very happy holiday and a safe holiday. And we'll see you soon.